How to hide posts on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts from your friends and pages that you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. This is the menu page. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Now, scroll down to the Your Activity section. Then, go to Activity Log. Here, you can view and manage all your Facebook activity such as posts, tags and more. Tap on Public Posts. Over here, you can view all your posts. If you want to hide a post, then go over to that post and select it. Then, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Here, tap on Change Audience. Tap on Change Audience again. Now, select Only Me. Tap on Change to confirm. This means that all of the selected posts will have their audience changed to Only Me. As you can see, the post has the locked icon below it now. Following these steps, you can easily hide posts on Facebook.